Okie dokie. They say you have been given $5 today at day 0 and promised an additional $4 every day for 5 days. Which of the following graphs represents the money that you would have as a function of the number of days D? Okay. So, what's the difference between these graphs? It looks like the difference might be where it's starting. So, the initial, y-intercept point here, and then I'm assuming just the slopes of each of these lines might be a little bit different. Okay, so you're given $5 today at day 0. So you want to make sure that these graphs, or the correct graph, is starting at 0, 5. 0, 5. In other words, just it has a y-intercept of 5 is what we're looking for. So it looks like A and C are looking pretty good. And then B starts at like 1, so that's not going to do it. And then D is kind of close. It looks like it's starting at 4, though, so we're going to get rid of that. And then the difference between these would be the slopes, I'm assuming. So they say you are promised $4 every day. So you just want to make sure as D goes up by 1 that the Y values are going up by 4, right? So here and here and here and here and so on. So let's see. It looks like A is pretty good. I mean, it's this point right here looks like it's at y equals 9, right? And we would just have to make sure it keeps going up by 4 each time, right? So at x equals 2 or D equals 2, it goes up to 13, which would be right? 9 plus 4 is 13, and then it goes up by another 4, and then goes over by 1. I think A is looking pretty good. Let's see if we can eliminate C. So it starts at the 5, and then it goes to D equals 1, and then it looks like the Y value might be like 7 or 8 here. So we're going to go 8. So it's only gone up by 3 as D went up by 1, right? The amount of money only went up by 3 as D went up by 1. Let's see if D goes up one more time. It looks like it's sitting at 11. Yeah, it looks like it's only going up 3 each time. So up 3 when it should have been going up by 4. So we're going to go with A on this one. Pretty cool. Not too bad. Let's do one more example, see if we can crush it a little bit faster. We're starting at $2 at day 0. We want to make sure the y-intercept is 2. This one is 1. This one is 2. That checks out. This one is 3. That's out of here. This one is 2. That checks out. Okay, so between A and D, we want to find the one that has a slope of 3 or going up by 3 each time. So this one, I'll be honest, looks a little low right off the bat. It looks like it's only going up by 2. And then here it's only going up by 2 and so on. So I'm going to say that's out of here. Let's confirm that this one increases by 3 each time. So it's at 2, and then it's at 5, and then it looks like it's at 8. So hopefully that means it's going up by 3 each time. It's looking like a safe bet. Let's break out the eraser to see that D is our answer. So it's kind of just an assessment in identifying y-intercept and identifying which graph has the correct slope. Hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, let me know.